you could treat me right. Way oh, oh. Boy, take a chance, will you let me ride? Way oh, oh. I could be the best thing in your life.
Taking a walk at the beach.
You got me singing. Way oh,
Playing with your dog.
like a guy, you could treat me right. Way oh. Boy, take a
Relaxing under the sun.
way oh. I could be the best thing.
And all of a sudden, you see an unusual fast receding ocean level? That is not a coincidence. That is the unmistakable evidence of an approaching tsunami. What is the first thing to do? Is it too late to escape? Tsunamis are caused by significant undersea activity, such as an earthquake or a volcanic eruption beneath the sea. Huge volumes of water are displaced as a result of these events, which push water up from the ocean's depths to the surface. However, when gravity pulls it back down, all of the stored energy is unleashed, resulting in lethal waves that ripple across the ocean. A tsunami's wave can be as long as 62 miles and as tall as 100 feet. It can fly at the speed of a jet airliner over entire oceans. So, do you think you stand a chance against such speed, strength, and stamina? Now you can. This is how can you survive in the event of tsunami. First of all, you have to be able to recognize the signs. The Pacific Ocean is home to volatile tectonic activity, and most tsunamis are preceded by an earthquake. So, if you're near the seaside and there's an earthquake, protect yourself from that first. However, as soon as the shaking stops, get to higher ground as soon as possible. Second step, stay away from the beach. The water near the coast will recede, which is an early warning of a coming tsunami. It pulls aside, revealing the seabed. Don't try to discover it. You'll only be putting yourself in danger in case the water level rises again. Instead, turn around and go the other way. Third step, run as fast as you can. To protect your safety, get as far as possible from the ocean, preferably 2 miles or 100 feet above sea level. Tsunamis move swiftly, and you might not have enough time to get out of the danger area. Look for a towering structure with a solid concrete foundation in this situation. If you notice one nearby, dash inside and get as soon as possible to the roof. Fourth step, hold on to something. While it isn't ideal, if you can't get to higher ground in time, you'll have to cling to something. As the tsunami rolls inland, lots of debris will be swept along with it. This can be extremely dangerous since the buildup of debris, which is moving at tremendous rates, can pose lethal impediments for anyone caught in the current. But many tsunami victims, on the other hand, have been saved by jumping onto detached roofs or clinging to floating cars or other large objects. Last step, stay alert and don't move. If you survived from a tsunami wave, don't leave your position. A tsunami is actually a sequence of waves called a tsunami wave train. And the interval between waves might range from 5 minutes to an hour. Also keep in mind that the initial wave isn't usually the most powerful. So, even if you believe it's finished, stay still until you hear from local authorities. Tsunamis are without a doubt terrifying. And you're undoubtedly feeling helpless as a 100 feet wave is barreling towards you at 500 miles per hour. But if you believe in science and experimental research, you'll discover that there is always a way out. Please like and subscribe. It means a lot. We'll keep showing you one episode at a time, how to stay alive in the deadliest events. See you on the next episode of Deadly Encounters.